Hey, what's up everyone? Mark's here with another Maple Insights video. Today we are going to be talking about vibe coding. We have added a new model into Maple, which is Qwen 3 Coder, and that allows you to do basic and more complex vibe coding inside of Maple. It's a bit of a manual process right now with copying and pasting, but we will improve this into the future and make it much more integrated and much easier to build software using Maple, using the most private AI that you can, with cloud computing on the back end. So here we have Maple Private AI Chat. You'll see our system prompt where you can add character or other instructions to the AI. And then we have our model drop down here. Llama is for our free users. We have all of our paid ones. And I am going to highlight here Qwen 3 Coder 480B. This is the new one that we just pushed out today. Now 480 billion parameters, that's very large. It would be difficult to run that on a laptop unless you have really high memory capacity. Maybe you can do it on a home server if you spend a lot of money building up a big home server. But we have access to secure GPUs in the cloud that have really large capacity to run these big models extremely fast. So that's what we give to you, and we give it to you end-to-end encrypted. What that means is you get end-to-end encryption on all of your code that you're writing. So you're writing proprietary code, maybe you're closed source, maybe you write software that brings in hundreds of millions in revenue for your company. Why are you sharing that proprietary code with Claude, with ChatGPT? Why not do it in a more confidential, private, encrypted way? And that is Maple. So let's pick Qwen 3 Coder. And today we're going to do something simple. We're going to build a web app that shows me the sunrise and the sunset times for my location. So I've got a prompt here I'm going to paste in. It's a React app. It requests my location using the browser, the standard mechanism for getting location. It's going to show me the folder structure that I should create for my files, and then code blocks for each file, and I can just copy and paste and drop them into the files and then hit run. I also give it a little thing where I want to have some privacy because I'm doing a video here. I don't want to have my location out, so I'm going to have a privacy toggle, and I give it some information about decimal point usage. So we're going to hit go here and let it cook. Now, as it's going, I'm going to explain to you here. I've actually already built this app because to make it quick on this video, I wanted to make sure that I already had everything copied and pasted. So here's the folder structure of what we're going to have. You can see what it's done, and then it's giving me code snippets that I can simply just hit copy and paste into a file and then hit go. So rather than do this, I've already got it built. And it's going to look more or less the same. It won't be identical to this because when you vibe code from the beginning, things look slightly different even if you use the same prompt. So I'm going to go over here and do npm start, and it's going to pop up. All right, so we have our new browser tab, and it's running localhost 3000, and it's requesting my location. So I'm going to say allow this time. And now it's got my location. Sunrise is at 7:03 a.m. Sunset is 8:02 p.m. The day length is 12.98 hours. And if I would like to show my coordinates, I could hit show coordinates. I could toggle that on and off for privacy mode. So here we have it. We just vibe coded a really simple utility that shows me the sunrise and sunset in case I want to go out and catch it and get some morning rays and some evening rays. You can vibe code all sorts of things using Maple, using confidential computing, privacy, and get that end-to-end encryption that you deserve with your most proprietary information. All right, later.